Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the classic cock sling by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the classic cock sling itself. And this cock sling draws attention to your penis and balls by pushing them forward for a more provocative look. The sling makes the balls and penis swell up a little, making them bigger and more sensitive. The toy is made of a soft and stretchy silicone material for a perfect fit, which makes it really comfortable to wear as well and feels very soft on the skin. Now, when using this classic cock sling, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the cock sling after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the classic cock sling by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.